Cool unboxing kan? That's the Galaxy Z Flip3 for you. Now, if you watched the Galaxy Unpacked event yesterday, you also know that there are new Galaxy watches, the Galaxy Buds 2 and the Galaxy Z Fold3. Now, we have the Z Flip3, which is a more compact version, and you know, anyway, so this Z Flip3 has a new design. There are several new improvements. You get new colors, so we're just gonna dive right in. Okay, so some of the improvement, the major ones for both the Flip and the Fold is better durability. So now their metal frame and hinges are made with something called armor aluminium, so it's supposedly 10% more durable than before, and they also have a new protective film for their display, which is supposedly 80% more durable, and they are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, the latest of its kind, and have an IPX8 rating, so these foldables are finally waterproof. So personally, I think that the new two-tone design is more appealing. There are new colors now. You get this is cream, there is lavender, green, you can also get white, pink, black and grey. So last time, I think there was only 3 color options, and they're not pastel-like, they are like mirror glaze finish. I personally like this better. Now, if you look at the cover screen right here, it's actually much larger than before. Now it has a 1.9-inch AMOLED display. Previously, it was really tiny. I think it was about like this size only. So a bigger screen is obviously better for you to view your notifications, and there are even widgets now, so you can swipe between widgets. There's alarm, timer, you can play and control your Spotify, you can even check the weather, and we heard that there is Samsung Pay, so you just have to tap your phone and it can just pay for yourself immediately. No need to open your phone at all. Alright, we're gonna flip this open because this is the Galaxy Z Flip3, right? So you are looking at a 6.7-inch dynamic 2x AMOLED display. It still pushes Full HD Plus resolution, but Samsung bumped up the refresh rate, so now it supports up to 120 Hz. But of course, you can always switch it back to 60 Hz if you want to. And under the hood, this is powered by a Snapdragon 888 chipset, so you should be expecting great performance, powerful performance, good enough for your games and so on. You get 8GB of RAM with this, and either 128GB of storage or 256GB of storage. You still get the same 3300 mAh battery, which is kind of tiny compared to your normal smartphone these days, but it supports 15W fast charging, 10W wireless charging, and you can even reverse charge your other devices, but it's only about 4.5 watts. So of course, with the Z Flip3, we have to try the flex mode, since that is like a unique feature to it. So with flex mode, you get different interface whenever you fold your phone. So it works with some apps. I'm pretty sure it will work with more apps in the future. But for now, we have, let's just say YouTube, right? So on its own, when it's unfolded, it looks like this. But when you fold it, YouTube automatically optimize it, so your video will be up here and the description and whatnot will be below. This also works with gallery, so my videographer Belle, ask me for her number if you want. Edit on that part, edit on that part. Okay, so I was saying it also works with gallery. If you fold it, pictures up here, and you supposedly get a touchpad down here, so it's easier for you to just swipe between photos. Of course, you can actually just do it this way, but you know, if you're feeling fancy, you're putting this on the table, just use the bottom part like a touchpad. Yeah. Okay, so flex mode also works with cameras. So when it's unfolded, it's your usual interface, but when you fold it, the preview is on the top, and at the bottom is where you get to switch between modes and press capture and whatnot. And there is also a fancy thing, which is this one. It's a cover screen preview on. So basically, yeah, videographer Belle, please get to know her. Oh, I just took a photo. Anyways, okay, so speaking of cameras, we have two 12 megapixel I am continuously taking picture of you. Two 12 megapixel lenses here. There's a 12 megapixel wide camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. On the front, you get a 10 megapixel camera. But the thing with this cover screen preview is that you can use the phone like that and just take picture of yourself without needing help. So just plop it on the surface, you know, you face yourself and you just have to click the button. So it's really easy. Good for when you have no friends and you need good pictures. And that is our initial thoughts on this cute compact phone. I think it's really cool and very trendy. I really like the new design and this new color. I've mentioned it, but I will say again, there are 4 colors. So cream, lavender, green and phantom black. But if you get it online on Samsung.com, you can also get it in white, grey and pink. But I personally like this color the best. Now the price in Malaysia is not revealed yet, but we will update you when it's revealed. For now, it is priced at $999 US, which should be around 4,000 Malaysian ringgit. But we'll confirm again when the price is out. Alright, that's it for our video today. If you find this video entertaining, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. As usual, subscribe to our channel, KLGadgetTV. And goodbye, I will see you on the flip side. Get it? Get it? Flip side. Goodbye.